Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can create area chart in Power BI using Python script. Okay, so this is the area chart which we are going to create, and the use case of this area chart basically we are going to see region wise sales profit, quantity, and discount. So this is the code for this. So don't worry, it is very easy. I'm going to create same area chart. So let's start. So let me first take Python visual, and after that I need to drag first the related columns which I'm going to use. So region and then sales, profit, quantity, and discount. So as I show you, we wanted to show region wise all these measures. Okay, now we can write our code here. So let me first import library, import, import. Okay, so I give alias MB and PLT here. Now, to create area chart, I will write plot dot step plot. Okay, and after that, I have to provide my x-axis and y-axis. So in x-axis, I want to give region name. So for that, I can simply write dataset dot region. Okay, and in y-axis, I have list. So I will provide one by one. So first is let's say data set dot sales. So I will like this database and sales. Okay. And second is profit. So again, I will write data set and then profit. Okay. And then again, similar thing, data set and then quantity and let me write this again quantity and then data set and discount. Okay. I can do like this, and since this sales is coming multiple times, profit is coming multiple times, so I need to put into the another list this whole. Okay. Okay, now I need to provide labels to show the value. So labels equals to, let's say, sales and profit, mm, quantity and discount. Okay, now what I did, I have provided x-axis value and this is y-axis value and this is labels. Okay, and alpha for providing the size of area chart. Okay, So we are good to go. Now let me provide legend for this plt dot legend location equals to 2 and I can say font size equals to large. And now I can show this plot dot show. Okay, now let's try to run this. Okay, it ran successfully. However, the size of this is little small. So for that, we can increase the size. We have one properties rc params mb.rc params, and then I can provide font size here. Font dot size equals to let's say 15. Okay, now let me run this one. So see now it's little better. Now let me see. We have sales, profit, quantity, and discount. Size we can provide like as per the graph we can give like 16 or 14 or 12. Okay, and this is a label. So we have provided this label sales profit. So we can change that as well. Let's say if I mention sale here, so it will show sale, not sales. See, sale. So I hope this video is clear for you guys. Thank you everyone.